안녕하세요. That means hello in Korean. I'm Kelly Hae-young from Naida. Welcome to you all to Seoul, the capital of Korea with over the past 600 years. Has the video whet your appetite for Seoul and Korea? We hope to see you all in Seoul coming October, which is the most beautiful time of a year to enjoy Korea. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Korean government and the National Internet Development Agency of Korea, I would like to express our gratitude to all members of the ICANN community for the opportunity to host the 36th ICANN meeting. 감사합니다. Thank you.